Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a step counter. There are some specific programs that we use in our applications. They always count our steps. Actually, it's based on your the sensor in your device that's called accelerometer. When accelerometer is affected by shaking or changing some coordinates, and then it's just sending signals to increase the number, if it's counting steps or if it's doing some other things. So here I try to make a program that also count the steps. It's also based on the accelerometer sensor. While it's getting shaked effect, that's going to increase the number by 1. As you see in this demonstration, I tied this on a shoe, and while you keep walking, that's going to count the steps. Let's do it. Now, so this is number 1, number 2, okay? So while you step, that's going to increase the number 1 by 1. So when it gets the more than 1 digit, that's going to show the value by scrolling text. Now let's do the coding with the block coding and also Python programming language. It's going to be really easy. Let's firstly say how are we gonna count the values? Who or what system is going to count this? We will set a variable. That variable is going to count the steps. You can name this variable how you wish. I would like to say steps, okay? And then in the beginning, on the start, the step value will be equal to 0. And later on, based on the shake, it's going to always increase the number by 1. I can go change the number by 1. That's it. And what is changed should be displayed on the screen. I can do this from basics, show number, and show what number actually we will show the steps, right? So now let's run it. Now it's going to work. We can also make this go 2 by 2. If we say change by 2, that's going to increase the value 2 by 2. By the way, that's going to also help you to improve your multiplication table. You can do, this 2 by 2, 3 by 3, and by the way, you're going to memorize or understand or practice this multiplication table. Now I go to download this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is also the way Microbit is gonna teach you math. That's amazing, right? So you learn programming, you learn math, and you really enjoy using this. So Microbit gives you a lot of things. Now you can try to do this increase 5 by 5 as well. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and on. Now let's quickly go with the Python programming language. Now before we write the while true, I will have to firstly say that our variable step is equal to 0. Okay, in the beginning it will start with 0, and then I will write my loop while true that will always keep our program active, running in a program that's going to be in a loop. Now beneath the while true, I'm gonna check if someone shaked our microbit. That's why I will say if input is gestured, so that's going to check if it's shaken, and if anybody shake that, we have to increase the step by 1, right? I will say step, okay, space plus equal 1. That's going to increase our step 1 up, okay? So that's going to change by 1. If you write here plus equal 2, that's going to change by 2. Let's firstly try with the changing by 1, and then later on we can try with the rest of them. Now all I need to just display this. Show number. Instead of number, this time I'm gonna say step. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna send the codes. Remember, previous program was increasing 5 by 5. Now let's see, will it change 1 by 1? So it's 1 now. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. I think we got it correct. If you want, we can do double check. We can increase this 3 by 3. Let's download the codes. This time we're gonna step 3 by 3, which means you are running 3, 6, 9, 12. And 15. Alright, so I hope you also enjoyed this tutorial. We see each other in another one. There are amazing tutorials waiting for you to enjoy your microbit. Hopefully we will keep doing them in following tutorials. All the best for you. See you another one. Bye bye.